This is one of the most unique RVs I've ever seen. This is the Riverstone Legacy 44 DBL, and you guys are gonna love this. Let me show you guys why. All right, it is a rainy day today, oh, we're good. Good solid door, good job. All right, Forest River is doing something amazing with their design. Check this kitchen out. I am obsessed with this backsplash and the countertops and just the wood finishes. I'm loving all the colors. Good job. We do have this kitchen area here with lots of storage everywhere. This is a really, really nice microwave with a oven here.
They locked it for us.
Yeah, it's because you have to buy it and then you get the surprise of opening it. Everything is soft close. And yes, this is a dishwasher. Oh, also, surprise, you have to buy it, open it. A double sink, which is very useful. And over here we have the residential fridge.
It's got child safety on it right there.
Yes, I'm loving this feature in a lot of the new RVs. It is a, hello there. It is a pantry that pulls out, so you don't have to rummage through any drawers or, you know, it's just space saver. All right, over here we have this couch situation here with this ottoman, and I'm loving this also because everyone can enjoy a seat at the couch watching some TV, and this fireplace. Again, lots and lots of storage. Plenty. There's more over here. Oop. Now, the coolest feature in this RV, hold on, brace yourself, is this room. Come inside. It is something that is so unique. No other RV has this. We have a couch, as well as you can pull down the cushions off and pull down the Murphy bed.
Let's see what it looks like.
I'm kind of nervous, okay? I'm just one small person, but let's see if I can do this.
You are strong.
Okay, so I gotta move this guy over. Okay, a lot of Velcro. Woo! Okay. Extra storage, you know, for any bedding sheets or like more bin storage. And then you take this guy. So this is a sneak peek. It is a bed. All right, we're gonna put this guy back. There we go. So you basically have to unscrew a couple of screws, that bar, and pull down the bed. And then all you have to do, convert this into a bedroom or just an office space. Put all this stuff back and you have an office space. Voila. All right, now this desk area is pretty nifty. You have a giant window here where, you know, if you have a beautiful mountain or a lake in the back, you can be enjoying that while you work on a laptop. Tons and tons of storage. All throughout, you have cabinetry up top. You have a TV even up top. This cabinet, it holds your remote.
What's on the other side?
Probably another cabinet. Hey, honey, I'm here to bring your coffee.
There you go.
All right, there. See, they think about everything, even the husbands. All right, now behind door number 2, we have a bathroom. It is a sliding door. You can lock it so it doesn't go anywhere on travel days. It also has a magnet, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it opening up by itself. Now we have a medicine cabinet here with storage, your sink, There's a door behind me and a toilet as well as a shower. Check it out. Tall ceilings. And that's it for the secret room. Close this. Now the living space is here, and right across it is your dinette. Plenty of space, tons of it. Large windows, we have beautiful lighting everywhere. As you could tell, it's very simple, decadent, and to the point. Again, plenty of lighting all throughout. Cabinets are lit underneath, and so it just creates a really cool vibe. All right, you guys ready for the upstairs? Welcome to bathroom number 2. We have a very lit, I'm telling you guys, it's very lit. It makes this bathroom so nice because it's natural lighting that comes through. Again, with the shower, it has a double shower head. This beautiful tile just connects with the kitchen. Lots and lots of storage all throughout. Oop. Okay, doors. We have that. Follow me to the back. We have the master bedroom. We have a king-size bed. Yes, it is large and in charge. Windows on either side. There's lights. Little nightstands, as you notice. Very cute. And additional storage down below. Closet space. It's a lot of closet space. A lot.
Automated lights.
Yep. Back here we have the washer and dryer. How handy is that? So you could do your laundry back here, as well as additional storage that used every single part of space. So we have just the shade that lets in some sun, or if you want to really black everything out, you have that option too. And also have additional storage, more, I mean, you're talking tons and tons of shoes and jewelry and clothes, so you have plenty of space to put it in. All right, TV up here. And this guy closes on a sliding door. It probably has on a latch.
Come back.
Yep, the latch is down there. But you also have that option of privacy. And that's it. What do you guys think?